Did you know some of America's most successful businesses, the ones we admire and strive to emulate, started with less than $5,000? A sum that seems almost unbelievable given their current scale and impact. Often using a credit card, a tool many perceive as a source of debt, but in reality, it can be a powerful instrument for growth. We're taught to fear credit cards, and for good reason. The dangers of misuse are very real, but that's only half the story. There's another side to this financial instrument, a side that can unlock incredible opportunities. Used wisely, with careful planning and a strategic approach, a credit card can be a launchpad for entrepreneurship, providing the initial fuel to get your venture off the ground. It's not just a tool for spending, for accumulating personal possessions. The key is shifting your mindset, transforming your perspective on how you view and utilize credit, from consumer to business owner. It's about using credit to create value, not just consume it. The real risk isn't the card itself, it's not an inherently dangerous object, it's how you use it. The decisions you make, the strategies you employ. Think of a credit card as not just a piece of plastic, but as a short-term, flexible funding source, a readily available pool of capital to bridge the gap between idea and execution, to turn your vision into a tangible reality. It can buy your first inventory, allowing you to stock your shelves and fulfill initial orders, pay for your website, establishing your online presence and reaching a wider audience, or cover essential software, providing you with the tools you need to operate efficiently. With discipline, with careful budgeting and timely repayments, it's not a path to debt, it's a runway for your business to take off. A chance to gain altitude and reach new heights. The secret? The underlying principle that separates success from failure? Leverage someone else's capital, utilize the resources available to you, to build your own, to create something lasting and valuable. This is the mindset of an entrepreneur, the ability to see opportunity where others see risk. Are you ready to see your wallet differently? To recognize the potential that lies within? Choosing the right credit card for your business is a crucial decision that can significantly impact your company's financial health and growth trajectory. It's like picking your first business partner, a decision that requires careful consideration and alignment with your business goals. Look for business cards, explore the options available in the market, with low or 0% introductory APR, especially if you anticipate needing to finance purchases in the early stages of your business. This grace period is your window, a valuable opportunity to manage your cash flow effectively, to invest and grow your business without incurring immediate interest charges, before interest kicks in, allowing you to maximize your financial resources. Analyze the rewards programs offered by different cards. Cashback is often best for new businesses, providing immediate and tangible benefits, as it can be reinvested directly back into your operations, fueling further growth. Match the card's reward structure to your actual spending patterns to ensure you're maximizing your returns. Don't chase travel points if you're not traveling frequently for business. Focus on rewards that align with your everyday expenses. Consider the credit limit offered by the card. Ensure it's enough to cover your essential startup costs and initial operating expenses. But not so high you're tempted to overspend and accumulate unnecessary debt. Start modest, with a credit limit that reflects your current needs and responsible spending habits. Build trust with the card issuer by consistently making timely payments. And request increases as your business grows and your creditworthiness improves. As your business grows, demonstrating responsible credit management. Watch out for fees associated with the card. Annual fees can add up over time. Late fees can be detrimental to your credit score. Foreign transaction fees can impact international purchases, and cash advance fees can be quite costly. All these fees can eat into your profits, hindering your financial progress. For many startups, especially in the initial phases, a no-fee card is often the safest and most practical option. Know every detail of the card's terms and conditions, of your agreement, including interest rates, fees, and rewards programs. Ignorance isn't an excuse when it comes to managing your business finances. It's a liability that can have serious consequences for your business. The right card sets the foundation for smart growth and long-term financial stability. Choose wisely and your business will reap the rewards. Success with credit cards, especially in the business world, truly comes down to a few key pillars. It's not just about having access to credit, it's about how you manage it. process, people, and profit. These three elements are interconnected and crucial for sustainable growth. First, process, track every expense meticulously. Never mix personal and business spending. This is a cardinal rule for financial clarity. Use a separate business account and card and record every purchase. Inventory, marketing, supplies, immediately. Don't let those receipts pile up. This isn't just for taxes, it's real-time business intelligence. Understanding where your money goes is power. Second, people. You're the CEO and bookkeeper, especially in the early stages. Hold yourself accountable. No excuses. Set a strict budget and stick to it. Your credit limit isn't your budget. It's a tool, not free money. Always have a plan to pay off your balance, ideally in full, each month or before the intro APR ends. Don't get caught out by high interest rates. Third, profit. Every dollar spent must be an investment in growth. Think long-term. Ask, will this purchase help my business make money? What's the ROI? Distinguish needs from wants. Invest in what drives profit, not indulgence. Delay gratification. The goal is a profitable, self-sustaining business. A business that thrives on its own. Every swipe should move you closer to that goal. Discipline is your greatest asset. Cultivate it, and your business will flourish. Consider a young entrepreneur who launched a jewelry business with a $5,000 credit card at 0% APR. She spent $1,500 on materials, $500 on a website and photos, just $2,000 total. Her card gave 2% cash back, which she reinvested. She hustled, marketed online, and paid off her balance in 6 months, before any interest. The card gave her speed. While others waited for loans, she was already selling and learning. If she'd failed, her loss was manageable. Because she succeeded, she built a profitable business and strong credit. Responsible use earned her a bigger credit line for future growth. She didn't just buy supplies, she built a reputation. That's the hidden power of credit: speed, flexibility, and credibility. Used wisely, it's a launch pad, not a trap. What could you build with the right strategy? In the end, your success depends on you. A credit card is just a tool. Your discipline and planning make the difference. Trust yourself to create and stick to a solid plan. Be honest about the risks. High-interest debt can cripple a business, so have a clear path to profitability. Hope isn't a strategy. Detailed planning is. The power to launch your business might already be in your pocket. It's not about massive capital, but about being resourceful and strategic. Used wisely, a credit card is an opportunity, not a liability. Respect the process, respect the commitment, and see the potential. The real question, are you ready to wield this tool? What's the smallest step you could fund today to move your business forward?